In today's video I'm going to share with you one of the hottest money-making applications. You might want to try it as it offers you real money by earning virtual points through performing simple tasks such as surveys, offers and games. If you are looking for something that will earn some extra pocket money on the side while using your mobile phone, smartphone, then this application is really promising. On top of that, its system also varies with other popular money-making apps, so you may think that this could be the best alternative application for another application that always turns out to be a scam. However, you will now think, is this really legit? If that's your question, then make sure to watch this video till the end and learn more about these applications through this video. What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to review another highly rated, well-reviewed app in Google Play Store with a rate of 4.3 out of 5. Givvy is one of the most popular get-paid-to-GPT applications you can find at the moment. With many popular options to earn a bit of coin, Givvy is high on the list of the best apps for making money at home in your spare time. Like most get-paid-to apps, you won't replace a full-time income, it's not a part-time job. So look at this as a fun thing to do with your downtime. The minimum withdrawal is 29 cents. Yes, 29 cents. Make sure to watch this video till the end, cause I will also show you how you can easily withdraw your earnings from this app. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing because I'm uploading videos where I will teach you how to make some extra money online for free. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. As I mentioned before, this app is well reviewed and highly rated, so the application I'm showing you today is one you might heard about before. It's called Givvy app. Earn money for free with Givvy. For those of you who might never heard about this app before, let me explain briefly what it is. Givvy is a mobile rewarding application that is launched by Givvy Ltd, based in Sofia, Bulgaria, and has been running since April 2020. It allows you to make money online free by completing simple online tasks. You can play games, watch ads, complete surveys, offers and more to get rewarded. How to install and sign up your account. Givvy app is available for both Android and iOS devices. You can click the link in the description box below to download this app and get a welcome bonus immediately after signing up. After downloading and installing the app, you can get quick access just by accepting the terms of service and privacy policy. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and sign in with your existing Facebook or Gmail account in order to save your account. How does Givvy work? There are plenty of ways to earn rewards as Givvy coins. You can then accumulate the points, convert and exchange them for real cash. Givvy provides an interface for all its users to exchange their collected virtual coins into real money in a specific currency. Therefore, instead of spending your coins on raffle entries, you may want to save and convert them to real cash. Many people prefer doing that because the odds of winning the giveaway are extremely low. So now I will explain all the possible methods of earning coins with the Givvy app. 1. Daily check-in. The best and most easy way to earn a small amount of Givvy coins is to log into the app and look for the Daily Check-in section at the top of the screen. Simply tap on the button and the coins will be credited into your account. You can get more coins by spending time and logging into the app for 5 consecutive days. The amount of the coins will be doubled every time. 2. Playing simple games. If you love to play games, good news, Givvy also rewards you for playing simple games. There are 3 games to choose from. Game 1, Tic-Tac-Toe, Knots and Crosses. With the classic tic-tac-toe game, you have the chance to play against other users and win coins. The winner is one who places all 3 symbols in a vertical, horizontal or diagonal row. If you beat your opponent, you will earn 5 coins, and if there is a tie, both of you will get 1 coin each. Game 2, Calculate. In this game, you will get 4 coins for providing the correct results of 5 easy math calculations. You will have a deadline of 30 seconds. Game 3, Memory Game. With the memory game, you will win 3 coins by figuring out 6 pairs of identical cards. It's a challenging game that will test your memory as you can only error twice. You can always double the coins earned by just watching a video. Every day, you will get 6 lives for playing each game. However, you can get an extra life for each game by tapping on the heart at the top and watching a video ad. Unfortunately, there is a limit of 1 ad per hour. 3. Answer surveys. You can also collect 300 to 900 Givvy coins by sharing your opinions with a third-party company such as Paulfish and TheoremReach. Converting 300 coins for cash will give you just 2 cents, which means you are not getting paid fairly for your opinions. According to Givvy, less than 10% of the surveys are completed successfully because depending on your first answers. From day to day, TheoremReach will serve you with surveys you can complete to earn rewards. When you take on a survey, you will first have to answer a set of qualifying questions to determine if you're a good match to the demographic group the survey is intended for. If you qualify, you get to complete the actual survey and earn the rewards. If you fail to qualify, you will still receive a small compensation, 18 to 90 coins for your time. Note that if you are already a member of another site that offers TheoremReach surveys, I highly recommend you only choose one site to answer TheoremReach surveys. With that being said, if you want to earn a better rate for completing surveys, I suggest checking out this video. 4. Invite friends. You can also invite friends to install the Givvy app and you will both win 130 coins when your friends confirm his per phone number. In addition, you will win 240 coins when she collects 500 coins. You can share the link with your friends or family via any social media platform, or you can copy the link and share it on the internet. How do you get paid? Givvy currently processes payments through PayPal and Revolut once you reach minimum of 29 United States cents and 10 United States cents respectively. If you win any giveaway worth more than 10 United States cents, you can withdraw the money immediately. However, if you are trying to redeem coins, you must convert them to cash first. According to Givvy app, PayPal has limited them to send low amount payouts. That's why they had to offer the Revolut option so people could cash out 10 United States cents. It's possible that in the future, they would have to increase the minimum threshold through PayPal from 0.29 to 1 United States dollar. The money will be transferred to your payment provider account within 5 to 7 business days. Some people praise the app for its almost instant payments. Upon withdrawal, Givvy will check your app usage for compliance with the terms and conditions. If you didn't break any rules, the company will send your payment. Who can join? Givvy app is open to members anywhere in the world whose age is 16 and above. It means that you can use the app in any countries you live in. After you download and install the app, no registration is required. You just need to connect it with your existing Facebook or Google, Apple account. How to withdraw cash from Givvy? Currently there are 2 ways to withdraw from Givvy is through PayPal and Revolt. You have to convert Givvy coin to USD, 119 coins equals 1 cent. The minimum withdraw amount is 29 cents USD so money can be withdrawn in less than few minutes. Then enter an email at which they should send you money through PayPal. Note that the withdrawals with PayPal may take between 5 to 7 business days. Remember you can use the link in the description below to join this website. I hope this video has been helpful and if you have any comments, questions, or experience with this website, please share in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.